All right, and welcome once again. So, for those of you using Visual Studio Code as your preferred text editor or IDE, this is the video for you. You can actually run Java programs on Visual Studio Code. But the first thing you must do is to install JDK and then JRE. The next thing is to also have Visual Studio Code installed. And if you have Visual Studio Code installed, you go to the extensions panel, which is this side, and then you search for Java. All right, you search for the Java extension and then you're going to install it. And once you install it, you'll be able to write your Java code, and then you'll be able to compile it inside Visual Studio Code. So you can see that I have a debugger for Java extension which is installed. So you look for this plugin or extension, and then you're going to install it. Another one, you have the extension pack for Java. You can install this one as well, and then you can install this Java extension as well. So you look for the Java extensions that can help you connect your Java programs to the JDK inside Visual Studio Code so that you'll be able to write your Java application. So these are the extensions you need to be able to write your Java programs in Visual Studio Code. Now, once you have this installed, then you are good to go. So I'll go to this side, the Explorer panel, and then you can see, because you have the extension installed, you will see something like create Java project. So this button is actually going to allow you to create Java project directly inside Visual Studio Code. So I'm going to click on that, and you see from the top that is going to ask me to select the build tool that I'm going to use. So I have Maven, I have Gradle, I have Spring Boot, I have all the different projects that I can install. So you saw that in IntelliJ, you have Java FX project, we have all the other projects. Now we are creating a core Java project, so we are not going to select any build tool. So we select the first one, that is no build tools. So once we click on it, it's going to ask us to select the location for our project. So I'm going to select the desktop, I'll go to the Java course, and then this is where I want to put my Java application. So you can see that the previous applications we created are all inside this folder. So I'm going to say select the project location, and then on top of it we have our application name. So I'm just going to call it Hello World 3, because you have Hello World there, we have Hello World 2 there. Now I'm going to create this Hello World 3 inside that same folder. Click on enter, and then our project will be created successfully inside Visual Studio Code. So this is a simple process that you can use to create your Java application inside Visual Studio Code. So we have our Java setup here for us. So this is the simplest way to create Java application inside Visual Studio Code. So for those of you using Visual Studio Code, this is the process you can use. So thank you for watching. We'll meet in our next video.